So we're walking through the forest and we came across these faces. I just kept seeing them all over the place. Here we go. I'm just kind of pointing it out here. I'm outlining his face. And, we're just going to do a rough drawing here. Just outline these original lines that are already here in a very crude way, obviously. I'm not a professional trained artist in any way, but I think if I do this right here, I can point out the fact that there's a face. Now, when I'm in these environments and I take these photos, it's obvious to me. And so hopefully by doing this kind of a video today, make it obvious to you as well. Now, in nature, obviously, we don't see 90-degree lines. Very rarely do we see 90-degree lines in nature. Look at this guy. Obviously, I'm not that good at this, but, thanks for watching.